Ava, what are you doing?
I'm coloring.
What is all this stuff?
A necklace.
But where's it from?
From Mommy's friend Diane.
What do you have to say to Mommy's friend Diane?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Why don't you blow a big kiss? Show off those colorful nails. Oh, yeah, put them down on the coloring book. All different colors.
Yeah, and my friend.
Which are these?
My friend
Adriana colored your nails for you.
Yeah.
Look at these adorable Band-Aids. I flippin' love them. Lots of crayons, candy necklace. There's a lollipop that's in the other room. And look at, show off your necklaces. Ooh la la diva. This adorable hat. Gummies.
I want to show you something in my living room.
Well, no, we're not going to move all around. Blow a big kiss. Say thank you. Blow a big kiss. Say thank you. 1, 2, no. Okay, bye. She's all over. Okay, she's grabbing something. If she takes too long, I guess I'll end this.
This.
Oh, yeah. See, I totally forgot. Okay, show it.
This is my puppy purse.
See, she remembered. You love it?
Uh-huh.
So cute. Now blow a big kiss. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.